I've been dehydrating celery today, and when I do that, I like to save the leaves because I take these and turn them into celery salt. So my first step is actually to take 10 cups worth of celery leaves and put them on a dehydrator tray. I'll separate the leaves between two trays so that it's not quite so thick. Now I'll place these in the dehydrator at 125 degrees for anywhere from 6 to 10 hours. The key is that I want them to be completely dry. It's been several hours and my celery leaves are fully dehydrated. It's incredible to me just how much smaller they are after they've gone through that process. My next step is to place them in my food processor. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and then I'll process it until it's very fine. If your food processor doesn't make it fine enough, then you can always switch it over to a blender, especially like the Vitamix. It does a really good job of it. And you'll notice it doesn't actually make that much. It's kind of insane, but I put it in a jar or any other airtight container, and then I'll place on my lid and I'll label it and I'll put it in my cupboard, and that should be good for up to a year.